Did you know there are several types of clouds, each with unique shapes and characteristics? First, cirrus clouds are thin, wispy clouds high in the sky, often seen during fair weather. Cumulus clouds are the fluffy, cotton-like clouds you see on sunny days. They can grow into cumulonimbus clouds, which are towering and often bring thunderstorms. Stratus clouds form flat, gray layers covering the sky, leading to overcast conditions. Nimbostratus clouds are thick, dark clouds that bring steady rain or snow. Altocumulus and altostratus clouds are found in the middle altitude and indicate changing weather. By observing clouds, you can often predict upcoming weather changes.